Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to show you how to jack up the vehicle. There's some lift points. If you look from the outside, there's a little nub right here. And what you want to do is go on the pinch weld with your jack. That's a good place to lift the vehicle from. We lifted it from right here. It's a pretty solid place to lift the vehicle from. I prefer to do it there, and then it keeps the subframe bolts out of the way. It's not ideal if you're using a tire jack. You really want to get on the pinch weld. In the back here, there's a little mark right there. Because these have lower skirts on them, it's going to be harder to get access to the pinch weld, but that's exactly where you want to go, like right back here with your tire jack. That'd be a safe location. We lifted it right here. One thing to keep in mind is stay away from these coolant hoses. It looks like someone at one point put a jack right there. That's not good. And then over here, you gotta watch out. We lifted it right here. You gotta get it above these e-brake cables and watch out for the brake lines, because you don't want to pinch one of those. But if you're using your tire jack, again, you want to be right over here on the pinch weld. And same with the front.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.